What does equal mean? Equal means having the same size, quantity, value, or worth. Pause this video to copy the definition of equal in your notes. Okay, welcome back. So now that we know that equal means having the same size, quantity, value, or worth, we're going to look at this example. So in the top rectangle, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares with the letter P inside of them. So we have P plus P plus P plus P plus P plus P gives us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 P's. These here are equivalent. So we have this expression where we added up all 6 of the little P's is equivalent to having 6 of them. Remember, our coefficient or the hidden number in front is just the number 1. So if mathematicians weren't so lazy, we would have had a 1 in front of all of those. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So repeated addition is multiplication. 1 times 6 is 6. Since we added 6 of them, we have 6 here. So we can set that equal because those have the same value or the same worth. Okay, whether we had 6 individual pizzas or we had 6 pizzas stacked up on top of each other, either way we have 6 pizzas. The top rectangle has the same size as the bottom rectangle, so we can set the two rectangles' expressions equal. So the expression that we created for the 6 p's, we can set equal to the 120. So this equal sign means that they have the same value or the same quantity or the same size or the same worth. So that is what an equal sign means.